Hi y'all, Williams weather here. As you can see behind me, we got some sleet. Last night we got some rain that turned into icing, freezing rain. Which tonight we're supposed to receive about 5 to 10 inches of snow as Winter Storm Landon rolls through the area. I don't understand why we name winter storms, just like naming poops. Like why? But anyways, as you can see, we got some icing on this grass bush here. See, I think we got about 2/10 of an inch of ice, so that's pretty dangerous, y'all. Power lines, and as you see, the wind's picking up. Out here, blowing my jacket, hoodie around, and show you how much sleet we've had fallen here in southern Indiana. I'd say probably 3/10 of an inch of sleet has fallen so far. And as we get snow falling through the area around mid-afternoon to late evening hours, that's going to create some hazardous travel conditions. Now I think Jennings County here in southern Indiana is under a level 2 travel advisory. That could be upgraded as we get through the night. So if you have to get out, really don't, but if you have to, please be careful. So you can see behind me, traffic is moving very slow if you can see it. Probably not very well. I'll take you over here to this fence here, show you the icing on that. This grass is very crunchy. Yeah, that's a lot of ice, y'all. You can see, I'll show you, last night we got high winds. Did not knock out the power, but I know in Illinois, Missouri, parts of Oklahoma and Texas, y'all's power is out, unfortunately, due to this icing event. As you can see, this tote here, or barrel, whatever you want to call it, has fallen over. Now, I am tracking a winter storm, and this is way out in advance, on February 13th. Around Valentine's Day, winter storm around Valentine's Day, so that could ruin some Valentine's plans. So, yeah, but anything could change. So please stay tuned to Williams Weather. Never stop forecasting.